Welcome back to Road Warriors. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting midsize sedans of the year, the 2025 Toyota Camry. Known for its reliability, comfort, and practicality, the Camry has long been a favorite among drivers. But for 2025, Toyota has taken things to a whole new level. With a bold new design, cutting-edge technology, and a hybrid-only powertrain lineup, the latest Camry is set to redefine what a modern sedan can be. The first thing you'll notice about the 2025 Camry is its aggressive and athletic exterior. Toyota has completely refreshed the design, giving it a wider, more assertive front grille and sleek LED headlights that stretch into the fenders. The sculpted body lines run seamlessly along the sides, adding a dynamic character that makes the Camry look more like a performance vehicle than a family car. Toyota is also offering a wider variety of paint colors and wheel options, including sportier alloys on the SE and XSE trims. This new look isn't just about aesthetics, it helps improve aerodynamics and fuel efficiency too. Under the hood, the Camry has gone all in on hybrid power. For the first time in its history, there are no traditional gas-only engines in the lineup. Every 2025 Camry is powered by Toyota's fifth-generation hybrid system, delivering an excellent balance of power and efficiency. The base models feature a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor, producing around 225 horsepower in front-wheel drive models and 232 horsepower with optional all-wheel drive. It's a smooth, responsive setup that makes everyday driving enjoyable, while also offering impressive fuel economy numbers that will appeal to commuters and eco-conscious drivers alike. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that feels more refined and technologically advanced than ever before. Toyota has upgraded the materials across the board, with soft-touch surfaces, available leather upholstery, and stylish trim pieces. The dashboard layout is clean and modern, centered around a large touchscreen display, 8 inches on the base trims, and a 12.3-inch unit on higher trims. This new infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and offers a crisp, user-friendly interface. Optional features like a digital instrument cluster, head-up display, and wireless charging pad add even more convenience to the experience. On the safety front, the 2025 Camry comes standard with Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0. This comprehensive suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a new proactive driving assist that helps anticipate potential hazards. These features make the Camry not only safer for drivers and passengers, but also a leader in its segment when it comes to standard driver assistance technologies. All in all, the 2025 Toyota Camry isn't just a routine update, it's a bold evolution of a trusted nameplate. With its sporty design,